I'm gonna show you guys the pieces of the coffee maker back on the coffee basket. The other as well. I'm gonna do this for you too. You got the coffee lid. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just take your coffee lid. This is a Black & Decker coffee maker. You can buy people like this. All it does is it snaps on. I put my lid and I put my lid in the coffee basket where it doesn't like smell. You take your coffee thermos like this. You take the cord like this. And that's how you do a Black & Decker coffee maker piece.